Hello guys and girls, today I'm Ashish from Webberry Technologies is going to tell you about a most beautiful plugin of the whole WordPress website. It's called as Visual Composer. So basically Visual Composer. Today we are going to talk about Visual Composer. So we'll scroll down to the plugins and we will search for a plugin called called Visual Composer. Now Visual Composer, if pre-installed in your website, will look like this in your plugin section, WP Bakery Visual Composer. And if you go to the visit plugin site, we will just know what the plugin is. Now basically Visual Composer is a premium plugin. It's come for $34, but this revenue, but this the foundation is basically very good for your website. It is a very good front end and back end page builder. It helps you to create responsive websites, manage your content very easily, no programming knowledge is required, and create stunning and beautiful pages, more WordPress themes and templates all around. All these features just make this plugin very much useful for you. Now we will start to use this thing by just creating a page. Now we'll go to the pages and we'll click on add new. Now just remember one thing, that this Visual Composer only works for the pages, it never works for the post. So if you are having this Visual Composer pre-installed in your WordPress website, you're going to have this blue dialog box here. It's called backend editor and front end editor. We'll click on backend editor as it helps you to just make your website more design compatible. We will just reach to this Visual Composer and we will just click on the add element. Now add element will just start by adding a row, and this is our row here. We can just customize it by using these custom layers. We can add 2 columns, 4 columns, and so on. We will just start with this row. This is the pencil editor, helps you to edit this row. This is cloning tool, this helps you to clone this row, and this is delete option. We can delete this row too. Now we will add this row in accordion. We will form an accordion with 2 paragraphs and a 1 picture. Now this is our section 1, this is our section 2. Now in this section 1 we are going to write something. Now we'll click on this and we'll click on a text block, so to make us unable to write something. Now we're going to Control plus A. We are going to write about WebHelp technologies, and we'll click on save changes. Now in section 2 we are going to write something like this. Suppose we are writing WebHelp technologies this is the company I work in, is a fledgling internet startup industry, and that's it. Save changes. Now here we can just add something more. Just add a picture here. We'll click on single image here and we'll just add a picture here. We're going to we just have to upload images. Now here we are going to find some about WebHelp technologies, and here we are having this one here. This is WebHelp technologies, and we will just click on set images and we will click on save changes, and this is how your image gets settled up here. Now we can add something more here too. We will add a button here to just let us enable to jump on a page or jump on a URL or jump on a website. Now we're just waiting for some time. Now here we'll text on the button that we have to write. Restore WebHelp technologies. WebHelp, select URL. We're going to select any URL here and we're going to write www.webhelp.com and we will click on set link. After doing all of these things, we will click on save changes here. We'll go above and we will click on publish, and then we'll click on preview changes. And now